The MT5 MarketPlanner EA allows you to schedule seasonal and cyclical time-based trades. It includes a wide range of settings for smart and flexible trade management. For discretionary traders, an email-only mode is available. When enabled, the expert advisor sends an email alert without placing any trades, allowing you to perform your own analysis and decide manually. The EA works with a CSV file, where all trades and conditions can be easily managed. Open the CSV file to access all scheduled trades and their parameters. At the top, you will find a legend explaining all values and their required format. Below, there are 3 types of seasonal or cyclical patterns: weekly, monthly, and yearly. All values shown are demo examples for illustration purposes only. Weekly seasonality. This mode schedules trades that open and close within the same week or across 2 consecutive weeks. The cycle repeats every week. Example: opening Tuesday, closing Thursday. Every Tuesday a trade opens and closes on Thursday. Opening Friday, closing Monday. Every Friday, a trade opens and closes on Monday. This is useful for symbols with recurring behavior on specific days. Monthly seasonality. This mode schedules trades that open and close within the same month or across 2 consecutive months. The cycle repeats every month. Example: opening on the 2nd, closing on the 7th, executed every month. Opening on the 15th, closing on the 1st, opens on the 15th, and closes on the 1st of the following month. Yearly seasonality. This mode schedules trades that open and close within the same year or across 2 years. The cycle repeats every year. Example: opening on 15 May, closing on 1 August. Executed yearly. Opening on 16 November, closing on 1 February. The trade spans into the following year. Closing positions. If the market is closed, the terminal is offline, or any condition prevents the EA from closing a trade at the scheduled time, the EA will close it automatically as soon as market access is restored. No user action is required. Mode. The mode column allows you to enable or disable each seasonal cycle. Off. Prevents new trades from opening, but does not affect trades already in progress. On. Enables the cycle. The EA will repeat this cycle continuously, weekly, monthly, or yearly, until you switch it off. Ample. Displayed only as an example of proper formatting. The EA ignores this row entirely. Unlike off, sample rows also do not appear in the trading panel. ID. Use a unique ID number for each row. This allows the EA to correctly identify and manage each trading cycle. Delay time. Delay time affects only trade opening, not closing. It defines a time window during which an entry remains valid if the EA cannot open the trade at the exact scheduled moment. For example, market holiday, lost connection. If a yearly entry date falls on a holiday, delay time allows the EA to execute the trade once the market reopens, as long as it is within the specified window. Enter the delay value in minutes. RSI filter. The RSI filter ensures a trade is executed only if the market meets defined conditions, for example, avoiding overextended prices. For a long trade, you may require RSI to be below 30. You can set the RSI timeframe, period, and level. If the RSI condition is not met at the scheduled entry time, but delay time is enabled, the EA will continue checking the RSI during the entire delay window. If the condition becomes valid, the trade will be triggered. Alert settings. Choose one of 3 modes. Alert only. Sends an email reminder. No trade will be executed. Trade and alert. Sends an email reminder and executes the trade if all conditions are met. Trade only. Executes the trade without sending an email. You can control when to receive the alert before the scheduled entry time by specifying the number of minutes in the corresponding column. Trading panel. Click Sync Orders file to refresh the EA with the latest CSV data. Click a seasonality number to view its details. In progress means the trade is currently open or awaiting its first trigger. Done means the cycle has opened and closed successfully. If you update a CSV row but do not see the change, click Retry to resync the entire file. Use the left-right arrows to navigate through all cycles. If the panel turns white, scroll the chart to restore it. Configuring the EA to the CSV. In the EA input settings, type the name of the CSV file you want the EA to use. Multiple expert advisors. You may run multiple instances of the EA on different charts. Each instance must use its own unique CSV file, with a unique file name, unique trade ID per cycle, a different magic number. This prevents conflicts between expert advisors.